Hello friends, Adele from Go Balik. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Ventus Ha at Marina El Cid in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. This is a newly opened property and it opened November 2021. Ventus Ha is part of a 3-resort El Cid complex in Puerto Morelos. There's Marina El Cid, Ventus, and now Ventus Ha. The slogan of this resort is "Awake in Nature," and you could really see that in the design and color scheme. Dark woods, dark greens, coppers, and gold. It truly creates a relaxing atmosphere. Here we're taking a look at a Junior Suite Platinum room. This room is equipped with a king bed, a living area, a spacious balcony with hammock. Platinum level guests have access to a private beach, get butler service, have an aromatherapy menu, a pillow menu, as well as other perks and amenities. Things to note about this resort is that currently there isn't a restaurant on the Ventus Ha side that serves a full breakfast. There is 24-hour room service included in your stay. However, the breakfast on the room service menu is a continental breakfast, which means cereals, fruit, pastries, and coffee. If you want a full breakfast, you have to take a walk across the street at the Ventus lobby or a short golf car ride to the Marina El Cid lobby. Another thing to note is that currently Wi-Fi is not included in your stay. This is important to know because in your room there is a satellite TV. Yes, it has casting capabilities, but you can't really get the most of those capabilities without Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi during our stay was approximately $60 for the entire week. Our trip was in January 2022. A cool touch were these QR codes that are mounted on your balcony. Now, if you scan it with your phone, you can learn about all the flora and fauna that surrounds the hotel. Ventus Ha has stunning views of the mangroves, which means this is not a beach-facing property, though Ventus Ha guests have access to Ventus and Marina El Cid, which are both beachfront resorts. Ventus is a stone throw away. Marina El Cid is a very short golf car ride away. You could also walk it. For swim-up pool bar lovers, know that there's only one of those and it's at the Marina El Cid side. Ventus Ha alone has a large freeform pool, a large jacuzzi, a beautiful rooftop pool with stunning views. Between Marina El Cid and Ventus, there is also no shortage of swimming pools. There are large family pools with diving areas and little nooks and crannies. There are 2 large infinity edge pools that overlook the beach. There is awesome waiter service around each pool, which means you could have the cocktail of your choice with no problems at all. One of my most favorite things about Ventus Ha is the atmospheric music that they play throughout the property. It created this spa-like oasis. It was so relaxing to sway on your hammock and hear these beautiful tunes. It was truly heaven-like. For the first night of our stay, unfortunately, the room that we had booked was not available. The resort team was lovely about it and we were able to get a refund for the difference. Now we're taking a look at the room that we had booked, which is a Junior Suite Platinum room with tub. There isn't much difference between the Junior Suite Platinum and the Junior Suite Platinum with tub, of course, besides the tub. In the video that you saw earlier, where the tub is, there was a little wall divider instead, and here in this video, you see a stunning deep soaking tub. Now, this was very important to us because at our New York City apartment, we don't have a tub, so that extra soak to relax on vacation was important to us. It may not be so important to you, so the cost and upgrade may not be worth it. I would love to share that the El Cid group has their own line of amenities. chocolate soap, honey soap, rosemary soap. So it was fantastic to use these products in this deep soaking tub or even in the shower. It truly felt like you were at a spa no matter where you were on this resort, even when you're doing your morning routine. Your room comes equipped with a fully stocked mini fridge. I will give extra kudos to Ventus Ha. They give you plenty of water, small water bottles and larger water bottles. There is also a coffee maker in your room, and if you're a platinum guest, they also drop off an espresso machine with pods to use during your stay. Something I really appreciated about this room is the fully enclosed, with a full door, no frosted glass bathroom. Resorts have started to adopt this frosted glass thing in their rooms, and look, no one wants to see exactly what another person does over a toilet. So the extra privacy is nice and comfortable, especially for those on a family trip, a friend trip, or even a romantic couples trip. I'd recommend taking advantage of the aromatherapy menu. The scents available are exquisite and heavenly. I'd also recommend taking advantage of the pillow menu. We went pillow crazy and got incredible rest during our vacation. As I mentioned earlier, the Ventus Ha has a rooftop pool with lounge area. The pool is approximately 4 feet deep and perfect for a dip and a cool soak. There are plenty of lounge chairs, plenty of cabana areas and Bali beds to relax in. What's really cool about this rooftop bar is that there are TVs, so you don't have to miss that important sporting event. This is a great place to hang out in the afternoon or the perfect place to go for a nightcap. This rooftop area is not exclusive to platinum guests, however, it is adults only. I didn't get to record the lobby bar called Waves. Waves is also a great place to hang out. Very nice seating, beautiful woodwork, has nightly entertainment with live singers, relaxing music, very cool bar. Actually, all the bars on the Ventus Ha side served innovative drinks with cinnamon sticks and smoke and dried fruit and mint leaves and the whole nine. Very cool drinks on this property to try. Lots to rave about when it comes to Ventus Ha. The pools, the way the rooms look, the way the overall property looks. But probably the highlight of our stay was Kat restaurant. Kat served delicious food. When I say delicious, I don't just mean all-inclusive delicious, I mean delicious food, period. As you saw from that video, everything looks scrumptious, and I'll tell you it was. Now we're taking a look at the beach on the Ventus Ha side. Yes, it's a little bit rocky, but definitely swimmable. As you know about Puerto Morelos, it is not a beach like Tulum or like DR's La Romana or Bávaro Beach, but it's certainly a nice beach, certainly much nicer than what we see here in New York. They had these pier boardwalk things that you could walk out of. It was the perfect place to soak in the golden sunsets. I highly recommend taking an evening stroll along the beach. This is what the walk up to the Ventus Ha lobby looks like. As you can see from the stonework and the lighting, you're definitely entering something special. The look of the resort is very bohemian chic. As I mentioned earlier, the slogan of this resort is Awake in Nature, and that theme was carried throughout the property. Even along the pathways were beautiful plants and shrubbery, babbling streams and brooks. It created a fairy tale-like atmosphere. We took this trip to celebrate my birthday. I don't know why, but we were assigned 2 butlers. Their names are Israel and Roberto. I want to thank you two for an unforgettable trip. You both made my birthday extra special with the welcome gifts, with the wine, the champagne, the chocolate, the cake, the balloons, the streamers, your help and service throughout our stay. Thank you two very much. You both are part of the reason as to why Ventus Ha will be very successful. I'm closing this video with comments on the food. Our favorites were Aakat, the Ventus Ha restaurant, and Mercado, the main buffet at the Ventus side. Room service was good. It wasn't the best room service we've ever had, but we definitely had favorites such as the spaghetti, the steak fajitas, and the tacos. That is all for now. Thank you all for watching. Happy and safe travels. Bye for now.